Guys, Roblox Minecraft player here, back with another video, and it is, let's see what time it is, 2:41 a.m. Oh my gosh, 2:41 a.m. I'm really tired, and today, and this is a vlog. Yeah, this is a vlog. I'm playing. Sorry, I haven't made a vlog in a really long time. I just haven't had time. Just haven't had time. So this vlog, I'm gonna be making, I'm not making, I'm going to be playing with my fidget toys and play with my real fidget spinners. So, yeah. So, yeah. These are all I got a new fidget spinner. It's an American one. It's almost 4th of July, so might as well get it. So let's play with this fidget toy. Okay, yeah, let's play with this fidget toy. Yeah, you just move the marble that's inside of it. And I have a pink one. I'm also watching popular MMOs. Go subscribe to him. Okay, then I also have this fidget spinner. I made it. Not really a good fidget spinner. Okay, I can't find a fidget spinner. Okay, this is the next thing I got. This twirly thing. It's not really a fidget, but I use that as a fidget. Wrong one. It goes in this one. Okay, I made this Lego fidget spinner. My other, my other Lego fidget spinner broke. Right, there we go. Let's fix this now. I also made this. Well, actually, my friend made it. And then I fixed it up a little bit. It broke again. Yeah, this Lego fidget spinner is not really good, but it's pretty good. Oh, those are. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably pretty sure I already saw it on YouTube. No. This fidget spinner is custom. Made of paper, popsicle sticks, coins, and a straw. Actually, I don't think the straw worked. Let's try. Actually, this spins for like 2 seconds. I got this other Lego fidget spinner, so I have 3 Lego fidget spinners. This one spins really good. This one I got off of a video on YouTube. This one is really bad. I can't even find the thing to make it spin. Oh, a fidget cube. So this, if you never have had a fidget cube or ever heard of a fidget cube, this is what a fidget cube is. So right here, you can move it like a controller. Die! Die! And you can use this like flash or whatever. I said that so correctly. And this circle thing that you whatever. And then I saw a fidget spinner. Wait, I mean not a fidget spinner. I'm so dumb. It's a fidget cube. Okay, so then you can also use that and then. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I saw this fidget spinner, and this is actually for a reason. Like I saw a fidget spinner at Walmart. I said breathe. So let's see what happens. Ew, it smells so good. I don't know how this was a fidget. I think this was made a long time ago, I think. But it's a ball. I lost it. Oh, it's right here. My kitty cat. My kitty. My kitty. My kitty. Oh, my kitty. He's Loki. His name is Don't Show Your Butt. And don't knock down the camera. This is a Rubik's Cube. You probably heard of it. Loki. Hey, baby. Baby. Okay, I also made this custom fidget spinner, which was made out of popsicle sticks, paper, and tape. And there's like it's part of a glow stick. Baby. Like these fidgets? Yeah, he definitely likes these fidgets. He definitely likes it, fidgets. Nice spinner. Wrong one. Now the Smith fidget spinner, which was custom. It was made by the Mint. And then this cat fidget spinner. Pretty sure I've shown you all the fidget spinners. Most of my fidget spinners. Yeah, whatever. Then I have this last fidget spinner made out of paper, tape, really heavy paper, stickers, pens. It's a paper fidget spinner. It actually works pretty good. That was actually my first custom fidget spinner and my first ever fidget spinner. That was red one. A new one too. Black bearings, America caps, and a red. I'm just seeing how long this goes. Mm. This white one. This one has rust, so I'm gonna have to fix it. I don't know how. Like, I didn't spill anything on it anyways, it just has rust for some reason. And actually, let's show my best for last. And then this blue fidget spinner. Yeah, so this one got rusty. This one, this was the fidget spinner for that. That one is, yeah, it got rusty, so I put it here, and then I replaced that bearing with two gears, and now it spins like that. See this one? See, look how alike they are. Hey, no, that's it. Look how alike they are. So, yeah, they're the same. They're the same bearings. And then my best fidget spinner, which was the 4th of July fidget spinner. My best. Still going. That's all. Actually, wait. Look, the worst fidget spinner of all time. It barely even spins. I can't even talk today. This fidget spinner barely even spins. It's made out of a lot of stuff. Watch it spin. Not even a full second. Yeah, this was the worst fidget spinner I've ever made. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I'll try to make as much vlogs as I can. And I'll see you guys in the next video.